You've seen them around. Never thought I'd try them, but I thought I'd do it for you guys. Poundland cables. What can I say? They're cheap. However, today we're doing more of like a scientific test. So I have a iPhone one, which is the lightning cable, 1.5 meters, getting charged up, sync and charge cable, made for iPhone. It's not Apple certified, probably. Very surprised it was. This one, power to the people, sync and charge cable. And you'll notice this phone in the corner actually has X's over its eyes, which is probably what the phone would be after using this charger. However, we don't know. So first things to say about it, it's in kind of a plasticky material, which isn't very economical. However, that disappoints me, because this fancy snancy packaging, have they cheapened out on the components of the cable? At the end of the day, can you get a good cable for £1, or is it just a dream? How are we going to do this? So I'm comparing lightning, as I will try the micro, but I don't really have a lot of micro devices anymore. We have a RAV power lightning cable. Been using this one quite a lot, heavy use. And the charger for it will be this RAV power, where is it? I think it's Bolt or something, USB charger. And I'll be using that to charge the devices, test them through here. So, let's take a look and get them out of the box, shall we? Right, we'll have to use this probably, because it's going to need some force. Will that break it? Yes, it will. All very cheap, that's all I'm saying. Let's get the other one out. And there they are out. That packaging, obviously with all the plastic going on and all the global warming, not a good idea. So, taking a look at them, we can see that they are not very good. Whoa, that is thin and flimsy. There's one end that would plug into your device, your charger. That would plug into your iPhone. What does it say now? Oh look, it even says Signalex. Hold on, that Signalex brand, it used to say Signalex, well it is, and now they've just repackaged it. So it's still that Signalex brand. Is it the same on this one? Oh yes, Signalex. Right, well, let's have a look at the micro one. So the micro one is 2 meters, probably because micro USB cables are cheaper. Well, that is what it is. Hold on a minute. These look like a fake. Like they're trying to copy the good brand Anchor, which you may or may not have heard of. They're like America's leading charging brand. Because if you look at this and you look at that, there's some pretty close. If you look at that, there's some pretty close copy there. Like they've went same as shape, bottom. It's pretty close. I wonder if the USB. They're the same, don't surprise me, but they say these are shorter and fatter. This is an Apple certified one. And if I hold them there, they seem to be the same size. So we're set up over here. RAV power cable, 15-minute timer. So let's start the timer and go.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
Timer's up with a rev power cable. What have we got? 82%. So let's try filling up the last bit. Let's try filling it up again, shall we? With the Poundland cable. Bear with me.
Like a broken soul in a wonderland without angels. That is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger. Yeah. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. Yeah, I'm incomplete. Hey, 'cause I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. But it won't be long before I realize it's a picture in my head, in my head. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to
has ended, and in 15 minutes we got 87%. That is painful. So what can I say? Poundland cables, they're thin, they're cheap, but they're not really worth it. They're just pointless. Although this looks good, 2 meters. You'll plug this one in. This Android tablet, which is probably flat out on charge. Well, the tablet's lit up. Yeah, it's not a good thing to do. Buy quality. Maybe if you're in an emergency it might work, but overall, don't do it. Save your wallet and don't do it, because it'll just be a simple mistake. So yeah, that just about wraps up this video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget, go genuine. Anchor, Apple, RAV Power cables are amazing.